CapCut Desktop AI Auto Cut, how to cut long videos into viral short clips fast. Now, if you have got a lengthy video on CapCut on desktop and you want to make the editing process much more easier by trimming them into multiple segments for a short. Now, this can be done automatically using AI. First of all, select the targeted clip, and if it is quite lengthy, just right click on the clip. When you do that, you'll find various options. One of the options will be to split the scenes. So what you have to do is just select split scenes, and it will use AI to automatically cut it into short efficient clips that you can use. And now you can review the rest of the clips manually if you wish to. And there are also some other editing features which you might want to use in this case as well. This way you will then be able to go ahead and then cut long videos into viral shorts fast. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.